Hyggear Derma Restore Balm. If you have dry, rough, thin, or crepey-looking skin, you may have heard about this product. But the big question is, does it actually work? Or is it just another skincare product making big promises? Let's take a closer look and find out together. One thing that may give shoppers some confidence is that Hyggear Derma Restore Balm is available on Amazon. It's easy to find, and customers can also check product details and reviews before buying. Of course, being sold on Amazon doesn't automatically mean a product is effective. So what are actual customers saying? The biggest positive seems to be hydration. Many customers say the balm leaves their skin feeling soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. It seems to work especially well on dry areas like elbows, knees, and rough patches. Customers also like that it absorbs fairly well. It doesn't always leave the skin feeling overly greasy or heavy, which can be a big plus for a rich, moisturizing balm. Another thing people seem to enjoy is the texture. The balm has a rich and creamy feel, and many customers say it feels smooth and comfortable on the skin. The fragrance also gets some positive feedback. People generally describe it as light and pleasant, without being too strong or overpowering. But of course, there are a few downsides too. When it comes to the price and application, customer opinions are mixed. Some people feel that a little product goes a long way and they would happily buy it again. Others feel that the amount of product is too small for the price. There are also different opinions about how easily the balm spreads. Some customers find it smooth and easy to apply. Others feel that it can be a little difficult to spread evenly across the skin. And then we have one of the most common complaints: the packaging size. Several customers feel that the container is quite small, especially considering the price. If you're using it regularly or applying it to larger areas, you may find that it doesn't last as long as you expected. Still, some customers say the smaller size is acceptable because the balm works well for them. So, what's our final verdict? Based on customer feedback, Hyggear Derma Restore Balm appears to be a promising moisturizer for dry, rough, and crepey-looking skin. Its main strengths are hydration, its creamy texture, comfortable feel, and pleasant fragrance. However, the small container, higher price, and mixed opinions about application are worth considering before you buy. So, is it worth trying? If your main goal is softer and more hydrated-looking skin, it could be worth considering. But whether it offers good value for money will depend on how much you use and what you expect from the product. And remember, skincare results can vary from person to person. So that's our look at Hyggear Derma Restore Balm. Would you try this balm? Or have you already used it? Let us know your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and easy to understand product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.